Hello guys, welcome to Drawing for Kids. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertain. Today we will draw and color a very delicious pizza. Let's continue to follow this video.
Falling down, London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
Wow, amazing! Let's make this pizza picture thicker so it looks even better.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Looks prettier, isn't it, friends? The pizza. Very nice. It's time to color. Let's go.
Wood and clay
Pink.
will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my
Orange.
fair lady. Build it up with
Blue.
iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Pastel peach.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow.
Dark yellow.
And bow, iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Red. Green.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling
Pastel
down.
peach.
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Brown.
Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
See how pretty this pizza will turn out, guys.
Stones, my fair lady.
Yellow.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down.
Do you want to eat delicious pizza like this, friends?
Fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay.
It's time to color this side of the pizza. Let's go.
Wood and clay, my fair lady.
Yellow. Very delicious.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel.
Orange.
Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Melon yellow.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair.
This is very good pizza. Friends, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.